Greetings, fellow traders. Fellow here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Tuesday, April the 20th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's try to see where we left out the market here today. So SPX, down 28 points here. Still over the upper Bollinger Band here on the monthly chart. Weekly chart, still an inside week. But watch that potential bearish divergence right here on the RSI from the Corona crash. Rut-row. Keep an eye on that one here. Daily chart, again, pulled back. We're sitting right at the 80 EMA, so it's not really panic time yet. There's a couple different counts on here, guys. I adjusted it here since the lunchtime update. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC 4, right? For 1, 2, 3, 4, right of the another lower wave 4, right, of a minor degree, and then it could work its way up. Otherwise, this could be A, right? So that could be ABC A, ABC B, and then C, right? So we see a down move right here and possibly test this level. So there's a lot of different counts out here right now, guys. There's a couple different bear counts, a couple different bull counts, right? Because this could be kind of just a 1, 2 and still work its way up. So I mean, there's a lot of stuff out there. The big thing that we're looking at here is, are we going to close on the daily chart with increasing volume below the prior levels right here? And so this ended up doing it today. We ended up getting an extra volume here in the close here on the SPY, and we closed below the 80 EMA. So there is a possibility that we do see some more downside in here. Now, am I a huge fan of the lower shadow? No, I'd rather see a little bit closer towards the lows, because that shows that some of that volume could be buying pressure, right? So just a little bit of something to think about. But we'll see how that holds here going into tomorrow, right? So this is definitely interesting. Consider a breakdown below these lows, today's lows, to be a bearish event, right? And then we'll see where we go from there. But again, a couple different wave counts out there as well. So good stuff there. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. So S&P future, guys, again, same stuff here. Increased volume here, red candle. So we'll see how that goes here going into today. We did get a nice short opportunity right off of this red candle right here. Nice doji reversal, and that gave us a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle move here to the downside. Very nice stuff there on the ES today. Let's take a look at the MES. And again, same stuff here. Let's just keep an eye on this geometrical line going into this evening. If they could break out back above it, that'd be great. We were hoping they would do it during the day, but they couldn't quite get there. And that's kind of bearish too, right? So Q is possibly forming a bear flag going into tomorrow. So, right? So a couple of these things right here. IWM, possible bear flag or bear pennant going into tomorrow. XLF, again, just blah, had a rough day here today. Let's take a look at on the daily chart. See what's looking here. Yeah, nasty candle today, guys. Big breakdown candle there on the XLF, and that could weigh heavy on the market, right? So definitely stuff that we're looking at right there. Apple was their event day today. They love selling the news on the Apple event. We were tracking a harmonic right here that never ended up playing itself out. We actually there was actually a short opportunity down there too once that kind of broke down. It did bounce off the 80 EMA, so let's see how that holds there on Apple. Let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla actually got a little bit of a green day today. Again, kind of a doji finish, but hanging in there so far. So we'll see how it goes here for doji. Again, it's still maybe working on that larger geometric line, that zigzag down, right? So keep an eye on that for Tesla going into tomorrow. IBM ended up having a pretty decent day today, guys. Gave a good push here, but couldn't really break out, right? So because it's still kind of stuck. I think it ended up filling like this open gap right here, and then pulling back off of that. So it ended up losing some energy there. Johnson & Johnson had a big push today. Unfortunately, but and a big push today, and it found a little bit of resistance at those levels right there, but a big candle on that. So there was some movement there in Johnson & Johnson. A couple other ones are on the radar. Disney going in tomorrow. This one was actually down pretty heavy with some increasing volume right here. Again, keep an eye on these levels right here. If it breaks down below the cloud with increased volume, that could get scary, but it's starting to look a bit rough. So that's going to be on the bearish radar going in tomorrow. A lot of the airlines were pretty weak here too. Love Southwest Airlines got earnings coming up here too. It's pretty close to the 50-day moving average. See the holds report, but a weak day there on Love. And then of course we can't get through here without looking at Netflix. So Netflix beat on earnings, beat on revenue, bearish, right? So a big down move on that one. But really the big thing with Netflix is their subscribers, right? They had bad guidance on that, and, kind of rough sub numbers. So we'll see how that goes there for Netflix. But other than that, a bit of a move down. So we'll see how it goes and where we end up tomorrow. It could have some good opportunities, right? Because right now it's sitting at 495, and that could eventually get us out of this trend box right here, right, and maybe start to put us in a downtrend here for Netflix, which would be kind of cool. It'll give us something else to look at instead of this chop slop forever. So anyway, good stuff there on Netflix. Good stuff, guys. It was a fun day today. I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of the afternoon. We'll see you guys in the live stream tonight at 7:30. Till then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.